So today I'm down in Sunshine Coast to attend Carl's big day, his new studio reveal. Well, I'm really excited. Let's go check it out.
Spotter Gang QLD. Leave, bike, and drive.
So I just got to Carl's event. I'm wearing this one. Check it out. Even pets were not left out. This is the new studio. It's beautiful. Driver Grange 80. Wow, that's amazing. How are you?
Good, buddy.
Beautiful day it is, eh?
Good to see you. Thanks for coming.
Nice shop.
Yeah, thank you.
Looks amazing. Beautiful job. The G80 looks beautiful as always.
Yeah, it's clean.
So what's the day all about today?
So today, obviously, we're celebrating the success of our reopening for our studio down in Cornwall Park. Quantum Detail has been very fortunate to expand its business and take over a couple of other businesses and expand our reach. So today we're just opening what we've done in the shop over the last 10 weeks and try and provide that real premium service to our clients.
Yeah. So that thing makes me ask you, what made you, why did you get into detailing? What made you get there? I've known you since the first day you picked me up from the airport and we did a vlog with you and we got to 10,000 views.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. Before I knew him, he never had his own detail business. You know?
Yeah, very good, yeah. Look, we had a lot of fun. Honestly, it was just trial and error. So, like many other people, I started as a bit of a weekend warrior. So I worked on my own cars and worked through the Repco range and all that kind of stuff. And then people were starting to take notice. My friends had started to take notice. I did a good job and we're like, you should really start to maybe offer this as a service. So I went and spent some time with some other detailers and did some more formal training and started opening my own sort of service out of home. And that kind of, it went from there. Got a good name for ourselves, started offering more services, ceramic coatings, got certified with G-Technic. And then here we are, we've now grown to a shop and 2 studios and a mobile service.
So I'll ask you also, how does it feel being an entrepreneur?
It's, some days it makes you cry. Other days it's full of stress, but in the end it's very rewarding. And you put the hard work in, you can clearly see the results. So.
Yeah, that's beautiful. It's just good to see guys have come up to support you on people's DMs and be like, you guys, you need to shop for this guy, man. This guy has been so good to me. But again, he's running because of this guy. He's the one who made this channel grow in some point. Because my highest YouTube video I got with him was 10,000 views. To me, that's another level of kindness. So what car do you drive?
Today I'm driving a Audi R8.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Does Carl do your detailing?
Yeah, Carl does all my detailing.
Do you recommend him?
100%.
How do you find the new studio?
Yeah, no, the new studio is amazing. What Carl's done with the place, it looks amazing, as I said. It's an awesome turnout today with what he's planned for everyone. Yeah.
So the couple is here. 310 on the spot, run by Steve. He's a funny man. How does it feel being an entrepreneur? Running your own business?
Man, that's such a hard question to answer. I love it, bro. I'll never ever change it, but I didn't know it'd be this hard, hey? Yeah. It's really difficult because you got to make a certain amount of money each week to keep the doors open. Obviously, the staff come before you. Yeah. If you don't make much money in that week, well, we're not going paid. The staff are always paid. Yeah. A lot of sacrifices. I'll never change it though. Yeah. It was something that was a bit of a shock to me, to be honest. Yeah. Especially this day and age. I know Australia's at a point right now where it's probably the hardest period to ever start your business and get it off the floor. Yeah. That definitely doesn't help. But man, a lot of the learning that we've done early days, we've just been very fortunate. We've had a lot of support, and my business partner Jaden was. When there's 2 of us that are hungry, that's a lot better than having 1 of us. If it was just me that was hungry, shit would be a lot harder.
Because I remember there's a time you're complaining on your socials, you get fake promises from clients. People are promising you they're gonna bring their cars, they don't show up. You gotta booking for a month, then you end up being like,
So the promising one, that's a good one. I'm glad you said that because, mate, the amount of shit that I've been promised, like, oh, mate, we're bringing you all our cars. We've got 60 cars. I'm like, yeah, cool, man. We hear that. I got so excited. Nothing happens. That's happened so much where whenever I hear that now, I just go, oh, cool, man. Thanks. Yeah, all good. And I don't get excited about it anymore because the promises, you get played with your emotions, and that's where it's fucking really difficult on your head there. But, it is what it is, bro.
So what made you change on that? Like, what system did you come up with? Like,
Well, the system has been changing, bro. So from day one, it was like, all right, we're going to just do a lot of detailing, PPF, and a little bit of mechanical.
Yeah.
Then the mechanical picked up, and we had a lot of dust in the facility, so we stopped PPF and just did coatings. And now we want to try and dull the mechanical down and bring PPF back in. And so the dynamic of the business is actually kind of changing where our priorities are going to have to be.
Yeah.
So it's still early days for us, bro. So we're still trying to figure out what we want to stick at and what we don't really want to put effort into. We're still making the mistakes in parts where we're like, oh, is that worth doing? I don't know, maybe it is. It brings in good money,
that's
but
the challenges of an
is it worth the
entrepreneur, so-
stress? That's the problem, because some parts make good money, but the stress to get those jobs out the door, it's like, fuck, is that worth it? We don't know yet. So we're still trying to figure out exactly the format, bro, to be honest.
True. So, like, you've seen Kyle owning his own detailing business. What advice can you give him?
Oh man, honestly, dude, like the one piece of advice is to just keep hustling, dude. Like, it's so cliche when people say, oh, never give up, never give up. But honestly, man, the amount of times people have been on a pretty good path, it gets a little bit too tough. And then they pack the towel in, and it's like, dude, if you just grinded for another year or two, you could have been there,
The Quantum directors, I'll ask you something, Kayla. Like, how did you feel about the day? Was it a nice day?
It was really good.
It was amazing, yeah?
Yeah,
Good
it's been a
turnout?
really good turnout. People seem really happy. We've had some good vendors doing their thing, so it's been really good.
What about you, Kyle?
Yeah, same. Like I said, it's awesome the turnout that we sort of received, more than what we expected given the events that are on today. But awesome to work with our suppliers and our vendors and people that turn
To
up.
be honest with you, I like the studio. It's beautiful lighting. I know it's very costly. I looked at it, I was like, this is so costly. And, like, it just looks beautiful.
Yeah, I need people that come detail their car that come help pay for it. But,
So, like, I'll ask you, what's your favorite feature inside here? Like, what do you like?
the benches.
The benches,
yeah.
For me, it's the flooring.
It's the flooring. I love the flooring.
Yeah.
Honestly, that's what I love. I love the flooring, man. Anyway, guys, I'm really appreciative for you guys. Anything for you guys, man. Like,
Thank you.
to be honest, man. You really helped me. You grow my channel, and I'm always gonna say thank you to everything that you did to me.
Happy. Thank
Cheers.
you. Thanks,
Cheers,
mate.
Kayla.
Thank you.
I will personally say thank you to the guys who attended Kyle's studio reveal. That studio was beautiful. The flooring and the lighting. Kayla and Kyle, you guys have done an awesome job. Guys, always remember to subscribe, like, and share our content. Remember to make Kyle your best detailer in town. Thank me later.